Okay, the conclusion to this is going to be quite a bit of writing in here, so write small, please. We're also going to have to draw a diagram. So make like a line. This will be our diagram over on this side. Okay? If an angle with measure theta is in standard position, such as angle ROP, and you'll see this in just a moment when we do our chart and the diagram. Then the point at which the terminal side of the angle intersects the unit circle has the coordinates we'll put this in a different color because this is the most important part. Cosine theta, sine theta. Okay? With cosine representing x and sine representing y. Alright, so let's draw our diagram. Draw your coordinate plane. Make sure you're labeling. Make sure you have to fill all this stuff out all the way. Stop. I can hear you sighing and you're not even here. Okay, so you draw your unit circle. Radius of 1. Alright, we're going to draw our piece here. Comes down from point P. This is a right triangle. This is at 0. Theta. Point P is xy. Or cosine theta, sine theta. Okay? This represents x and this represents y. Oops. That's a y. I apologize. I know it's hard to read. All right. All right. So in the unit circle, if angle of ROP equals theta, which is right here, then sine theta equals y, and cosine theta equals x. So again, we're restating everything we've already said. Sine theta equals y, cosine theta equals x. This is very important. Okay? Drill this into your little heads. All right, directed distance. A vertical line segment will be considered positive if it is above the x-axis and negative if it is below the x-axis. Okay? So we're talking if we have a coordinate plane, we're talking positive above the x-axis and negative below the x-axis. All right? This is for a vertical line segment. So vertical, vertical, vertical. Okay? A horizontal line segment will be considered positive if it is to the right of the y-axis, positive, positive, and negative if it is to the left of the x-axis. So we're talking about now horizontal line segments. Okay, I'm gonna bubble my line segments because I don't want you to think they're minus signs. so that's pretty important. You need to remember those two. Now, you guys do have quite a bit of time left over. What I want you to do for the remainder of this period is work on your weekly projects. These are all review questions from pieces of the Math B exam from throughout the year. So, there are math books underneath your desks. Please open them up and use them as much as you need to. And that is what you will be doing for the remainder of the period. Be good.